Do you have expert knowledge? Did you know you can earn up to $14 each time you provide an expert answer to someone's question online? Yes, you can. Here's how. Top 2 sites to answer questions for money. Here are my top 2 sites to get paid answering questions. The number 1 site I'm talking about is justanswer.com. I quickly bring this site into SimilarWeb just to analyze the website, the ranking, and to see the traffic. Here on the ranking on SimilarWeb, it is globally ranked as 4,147 and it is 146 globally. The country ranked 1,095 in the United States, and it has about 16.2 million visits every year, having a bounce rate of 70.36%. The year founded, that is year 2003, company justanswer.com. Employees, it has about 201 to 500. The headquarters, United States, California, San Francisco. The annual revenue is about 100 million to 200 million US dollars. So you can see it. You can see. This is how it is. This is the traffic engagement. Let me quickly add to the traffic engagement. Yes, it has about 74.04% people visiting from the United States, 6.29% from Canada, 2.95% from the United Kingdom, 2.78% from Australia, 1.48% from India, and the rest other countries are sharing 12.46%. This is how big or how large or how massive the site is, justanswer.com. This is how it ranks globally, to tell you that it's a genuine site online. Let's quickly move into Just Answer. Let me bring you back to the interface, www.justanswer.com. You can put it into your browser, www.justanswer.com. This is the interface. Just look at it. Well, let me have a greater view or broad view of this. So let me quickly put it into a desktop mode so I can have a wide view of it. Now, this is it, justanswer.com. With this site, you can earn about $5 to $14 on average, providing expert answers to people's questions online 24/7. Look at it. Just take a look. Look at how it works. Ask your question. Let us match you. Chat with an expert. You can your customer pay an average of $28 to have their answers answered by an expert, according to Just Answer. Then it is said that you will be paid 20% to 50% of what the customer pays. So, and the minimum payout is always $20. Just take a look. Take a look at it. We have 12,000 plus verified expert. Every question saves money. Service that's tailored to you. Save valuable time at home. It has over 10 million members that has been helped so far. Then they have a support. Look at, you can ask for support. Maybe if you are not clear with some things, you can contact their customer care to get answers. Look at it. Just take a look at it. Lawyers, doctors, vets, mechanics, electronics. It is said that it has about 175 categories such as health, medical, legal, car, pet, tax, computer, homework, phone chat, and email support. And the requirement here is just your computer, your internet connection, social security or passport number, professional verification such as your diploma, state license, certification. Well, with your resume, I think it's optional. You can maintain a minimum standard above just answer quality algorithm. Okay, look at it. It's free to join. You're free to join. You're free to join. Let's head down. Just move into this place. Like, let me expand it a little bit. Like, create an account. This is it. Wow. This is it. If you want to create an account, this is it. For a returning user, you can just put it here. If you're a new user, you just put it here. You just enter your email right into this place, create your username, create a password, and bam, you are done. That is just it. With justanswer.com. Very easy to make money here. Very easy. It has been around since year 2003, and it has paid out millions of dollars to its users. So you will do well to be part of this great opportunity. Make sure you take part, or you are part of this great opportunity, because to be frank, they are cashing out big time on it. They're really cashing out big time on justanswer.com. Why would you even let your expertise be of waste when people are looking for answers here and there? Let's quickly head to how it works. Let's check how it works. This is it. Ask for help 247. Member enjoy round the clock access to 12,000 plus verified experts, including doctors, lawyer, tech, support, mechanics, vets, home repair, pros, and more. Look at it. An expert will respond in minutes. That is for those who are seeking for answer. So if you're having something to sell here, like you want to sell your expertise, or you want people to benefit from your expertise, you can head to this place to be part of it, where you get paid for it. Save time plus money. So if you want to become, that is, if you want to join, you just click become an expert, then you are in. This is it. Become an expert. If you want to be part of justanswer.com, that is, if you have a service to render, or you can answer people's question as an expert, this is it. Just head over to this place. Yeah, this is it. Apply to become an expert. Enter your first name, your last name, email, phone number. Select category. We have appliance, appraiser, boat, cars, computer, consumer electronics, engineering, finance, heavy equipment, homework, law, medical, pet, visionary, and all of that. We have about 175 categories on justanswer.com. So this is it. Apply online. You need a social security number. I said it earlier. Valid identification and relevant licenses or certification. Start. Number 2, they will do some background check. You work with a third-party verification firm to check your credentials, which takes just a few days. Then number 3, you hit the ground running. Start making money. Once you're admitted, we'll give you the tools you need to start answering questions and earning cash. So this is it. Apply. You just hit it, and that is all. And you can be part of this their BBB triple B accredited rating, A plus. You can go to the http://click.us/just answer BBB for accreditation, and the minimum age is 13 plus, and it is free to join.
My number 2 website is Presto Expert. Presto Expert. You can visit www.prestoexperts.com. Let me enlarge this for us to be able to have a broad view of this site. Before then, let me quickly take this site to SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb.com, so we can see.
Let us analyze Presto Expert using SimilarWeb to know if the website is legitimate, to see the traffic visit of this website. Let me enter it. Presto Experts.com.
This website, prestoexperts.com. He said, with more than 30,000 registered experts in over 600 categories, we offer online expert service for business and individual. Its global rank is 1,278,042, and in the United States is 688,615. The rank in the United States. Then its category rank is 11,411, that is in computer, electronics, technology, programming, and developer software in the United States. It has about 23,000 visits and about 54.61% bounce rate. The annual revenue is about $1 million to $2 million. Company, prestoexperts.com. Let's quickly head to see where the traffic and engagement have been coming from, the top targeted countries. In the United States, it's about 29.92%, followed by Pakistan 16.39%, United Arab Emirates 12.96%, Saudi Arabia 11.25%, India 10.86%, others 18.62%. These are the demographic countries where the traffics have been coming into. So this is just to tell us that prestoexpert.com is a legitimate and a well-ranked website. Over to prestoexpert.com.
So this is it. This is it. This is it. This is Presto Expert Marilena Popper. She charges $3 per minute out of about 339 reviews so far. You can get to her through chat or email. This is it. This is how you set up your own gig, also your own service. Also, we have about 600 services. If you want to be part of them, this is it. This is it. So this is it. So set up your gig and become part of them. This is it. This person charged $3 per minute. This is Carol Cohen, $3 per minute. Review 1,387. Email request only. This is just it. If you want to be part of them, just head over here. You see it. Join as an expert. Just click on it and bam, it will take you there. It has affiliate program also. Yes, this is the affiliate program. Let me click on it and see. Yes, earn up to $75. So each time you make a referral, you earn up to $75. So you can get paid through PayPal, Payeer, Pioneer, and all of that also. So you have a whole lot to choose from. Let's go back. This is it. Just take a look. So just set up your gig like this. Set up your gig like this. Set up your gig like this and you become part of them. Definitely you don't want your expertise go to waste. Here is a place where you can monetize your expertise on prestoexpert.com. On prestoexpert.com you can earn a whole lot of money just by providing solution to people challenges or problem. So let me quickly tell you what you need to do here. What you need to become part of Presto Expert is this. You just need a good computer and a strong internet connection, Windows 2000, XP, 2003, Vista 7 and all of that. The minimum age requirement is just 18 plus. So that is how you become part of Presto Expert. If you find value in this video, please kindly comment down below, subscribe and comment down below to receive other making opportunity for you. See you in my next video. Bye.